Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is kind of a cool unit right here. This is a 2020 Sabre 37 FLH. It's a consignment unit. It's almost like brand new. It's a couples model, but you could sleep up to 4 people in the front also. Little camp kitchen, mini fridge, stabilizers, one touch button, boom, you're done. Already has a ladder, prepped for a camera, power awning, 5 slides, solid entry steps. It's our front living room area. Fireplace, TV, stereo system, 2 pull-out couches, recliner with heat, massage, and air. These are called zebra shades. You can adjust the light. 2 air conditioners, 1 ceiling fan, center kitchen, bath and a half, table and chairs, nice big refrigerator also. Lots of storage. Our second TV. There's our second air. And our double sinks. Stand-up shower. More storage. This is a closet that's prepped for a washer dryer, or you could leave it as a closet. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.